Hey everybody. Well, I think this is going. Hang on a second. Now all of a sudden it's slow. Let's see if this is working. All right. Now we're live. Hey everybody, it's Bridget. So excited to bring you something positive today. I just want to share with you that we have begun an incredible adventure, a summer adventure. And in 2020, that might seem like an oxymoron, but I'm here to tell you that we have some great things that we are doing. So I'm inviting you personally on a summer adventure. And what this is 28 days to retrain your brain to do marvelous, wonderful things and to start centering your brain on a writing craft. So whether that's writing in your journal or creating a book or a family history or whatever it might be, it behooves all of us, especially those of us that are leaders and influencers, to get into the habit of writing, of creating every single day. And what I love to do for nonfiction authors that are telling true stories, right, is to incorporate some of the juicy elements of craft and creativity and imagination that they would learn from a fictional class. And what I love for fictional authors to learn is just how important they are in the world as well, and that anytime you write a book, you're showing up as a leader in the world in one form or another. So part of our adventure for the next 28 days, beginning today, if you get signed up for this free adventure, by the way, totally 100% free. It's just one of those things that we love to do to add value, especially this year. And that is that I love a mix of fiction and nonfiction. There will be a few really serious prompts and things for you to take a look at, because a lot of us have been really reflective this year because we've had so much downtime and we've had to pivot quickly and we've had to redirect our thoughts and our business activities and our families. Then there's also whimsical and wonderful things that we're working on as well. And hi, Anthony, nice to see you on here. So today, for example, our summer of writing adventure is quite whimsical, and it's called Captivating Mermaids and Magical Tattoos. And what this is all about is to learn how to be absolutely captivating with your audience when you are an author with your writing. And I started a new class the other day, and I had these extraordinary women in class, and it was just so delicious. And they were selecting words that they were going to be using for their entire class. And one of the words that came up was captivating. I just love it because they wanted to be inspiring, but they recognized if they could captivate their audiences that it would inspire them, especially because they knew their material was that inspiring. So then there is an art that we are learning in being able to captivate. And why not start with something whimsical like magical mermaids and colorful tattoos? So here for our very first free prompt, okay, is this challenge for you to make your summer full of captivating writing. And so here's our prompt. You and your tribe ascend into the mountains to a camp of a remote body of water, a lake, right, to escape the heat of summer. And the lake seems to call to you. So here's what's wonderful is you get into your swimming suit and you plunge deep into that cool and refreshing water. But you cannot believe what you see underwater right before your very eyes. A presence so very captivating that it rocks your world. Okay? And when this creature touches your forehead, all of a sudden you lose all sense of time and space. Sometime later, you wash up on the shore, exhausted, luckily still alive. Your friends have been worried because you've been gone for hours. Now, here's the fun thing. Suddenly, everyone notices that your torso, your back, your limbs, every part of you from your neck down is covered in colorful, magical tattoos. So what you're going to write about today to get your brain started is, what do these tattoos mean? What are they for and why? I'm going to invite you to write juicy. So those of you that know me know that that's one of those euphemisms that I use all the time because Writing juicy means that you're able to share in senses. So what do things smell like and taste like and feel like, and what are you hearing, right? What are you tasting and smelling? And so utilizing those senses is such a wonderful thing. Like, wouldn't it be interesting, you were gone for hours and all of a sudden, you spit out salty water and you're at a freshwater lake. So you could have so much fun with this. And this entire adventure, 28 days of a 5-minute masterpiece, is what we're going to invite you to work on, is that you take 5 minutes for yourself. 5 minutes to just sit at the keyboard and write like crazy. Don't worry about spelling and grammar and all of those things that you can always go back and edit if you're going to. But this is something to retrain your brain into a habit. 28 times helps you to create a habit to sit down at your computer and suddenly your brain goes, oh, it's time for me to write. So that whatever it is that you're looking to create, any of those wonderful things that are all about you, who you are, your own branding, your own self-expression. So whether it's on social media or whether it's a private family history or whatever it is that you might be writing, a memoir, a biography, a self-help, that you get into this delicious and wonderful habit. Right, Kathleen? Nice to see you. So if you have any questions, I'm going to put the link in below this. This is a free Summer of Writing Challenge. It is to get your mind off of all the things that may have been weighing you down recently, lately, to charge up your creativity and to create something of fun for yourself, but great value as you make writing a priority in your life. Anyone can join, of any age. I've been rather careful to be significantly, I can't even talk, significantly careful about the language, so that even if you have middle schoolers or high schoolers that you would like to get involved in this, and there may be a couple of things here and there that would be a little bit serious for them, but as parents, you can distill down and say, oh, we're gonna have some fun with this. One of those challenges is creating a bald-faced lie. And I'm going to be doing a Facebook Live on that just for fun, because I'm sure you've been seeing some bald-faced lies on things lately, and how to be able to discern it by practicing the craft yourself, so that you like pick it apart and go, oh, maybe I won't believe every single thing that I see and hear. But even more than that, it's about this positive influence of words, about the power of your words, because you know that I know that those words change the world. And this whole program is about building up, I call it world building. And so you're going to learn beautiful craft of writing all month long in these prompts, and practice, practice, practice building worlds instead of destroying them. So I hope you have fun with it. I hope that it's something that you're absolutely going to enjoy. Again, it's free. Love for you to join us. And 28 days, baby, 28 days of positive adventure this summer, starting today. And if you get in a little bit later, it doesn't matter, because you'll get prompts to your desktop every single day. And then we also have a Facebook group. And it's kind of fun, because sometimes when you have like, oh my gosh, this 5-minute masterpiece, I have something extraordinary to share. And that it's a supportive place that you can share. So it's a private group, but everyone is invited to start with, right? But those who are participating can come in and put in their writing. So soul words are welcome. Creativity and captivation, absolutely welcome. And I cannot wait to see you there. If you have any questions, let me know. Put them in the link below as well, and we'll keep on track of it. And in the meantime, look up on your Facebook too, Summer of Writing Adventure, and you'll be able to find us, our whole team, and we're going to have some fun. So Tina Hale, thank you. I appreciate it. We love doing a nice job, just like you, sister. All right, we will talk with you all later. Thanks, everybody.